Hey folks, look at this beautiful, gorgeous scenery here. It's been a blessing to be born and raised in this area. But not only is it beautiful, it's also very productive and underrated food and medicines. Look at these mushrooms and these nettles. Oh yeah, tasty. But what's more is you can use these herbs right here to make things such as Usnea Tincture. This is Usnea, commonly known as old man's beard. You see it swaying off tree branches. I collect mine ethically by collecting what's fallen from the storm. When it comes to making herbal remedies using extractions, typically one uses either alcohol, water, as in tea, hot or cold, or oils. Well, today we're using this high-grain alcohol, Everclear, to make our extraction of arsenic acid.
Dandelion greens for the aching bones. Pine needle tea when the fever's shown. Plantain soothes where the nettles sting. Nature gives more than
So at this point, it's cold soaked for about a week, and I'm going to speed things up by giving it a hot water bath for several hours for the next couple days. Each hot bath will be equivalent to about a week or a week and a half of cold soak time that you would need out of the 4 to 6 weeks. Alright, looks like it's ready to go. Give it a good shake here to make sure it gets all the good stuff. I'm going to strain it out and fill this jar up. And this is where I'm going to be storing it in. 1 jar's worth is going to be saved as a tincture for personal use for the nasty cold that's been going around, and the other one's going to be used for the upcoming balm. Look for that next.
Look close and you'll see the signs. The answers are there in the vines. When the medicine's gone, the forest knows where the healing winds and water flow. From the ground to the sky, where the wild things grow.
Alright folks, there you are. It's your finished tincture. Look at that beautiful coloration there. Don't worry about the little bit spilt there. That's going to go right into the balm. Anyways, I want to try it out here and try out this herb flavored rocket fuel. Bombs up. And by the way, that is 1 dose there, 1/3 ounce. Make no mistake, that stuff is pretty harsh, but it works. Subscribe for more.
The cure is there, the forest knows. The forest knows.